Hello everyone, I'm looking at a new feature in Go that is how to use messaging analytics for LC phone and advanced settings. By using this feature, we can automatically messaging analytics and introduce the messaging analytics for LC phone clients. And we can also set the default phone numbers using settings page. And we can also send voicemail settings whenever a person is not available. You can send a voicemail audio and can be uploaded here along with the setting up of incoming call timeout, and we can also do some advanced settings. I'll be explaining everything in the video, and we can also have a several filters such as campaign, workflow, and bulk request can be applied along with the data filters. Okay, for accessing this feature, firstly you need to get into sub-user level account of Go-HighLevel and click on settings. After clicking on settings, you need to get into phone number. In phone number, these are the some data. Okay, firstly, here I can add any toll-free number, any pool number, any verified call ID. I can add this part. For accessing this, firstly we need to get into labs, and we need to, if example, if any new feature or any advanced feature is launched in the Go-HighLevel, in that case we need everything will be in the list labs tab. After that, I need to get into, in this case, I'm talking about the calls related. That's the reason like I need to enable the messaging analytics and the SMS limit and the voicemail and the missed call text back and SMS complaints and opportunity list view. All this has to be enabled. After this enabling, I can access complete details about this feature. After that, like I'm showing a sample data, whichever I'm having that. In this case, like in this messaging analytics, how many messages have sent, how many messages have delivered, how many messages are undelivered, and error rate, and everything I can get to know by using the messaging analytics tab. After that, I can see like whichever the source I'm using, whether I'm using any campaign or any workflow or any bulk request. And after that, I will get to know this complete data about the information about the customers whom I have sent the details via voice call or via workflow or anything. Okay, after that, I need to get into click on go back. After that, I need to click on settings. After that, I need to click on phone numbers. If I click on phone numbers, here I can get to know about the, if I click on your advanced settings, in advanced settings, here I need to connect the lead connector app. After that, in the voicemails, I can enable the call transcription, everything. Here I can get the details of the voice and the message call text back, SMS complaints, messaging limit, everything. By using this feature, we can send multiple messages via your voice call. Thank you.